C, C, G, G. Your turn. And then remember that G that's right next to A? We're going to go A, G, hold, and then lift off. Then the next part is pretty easy. F, F, E, E. Then D, D, C, hold. And all of our other songs so far have had 2 dots at the end, but look, there are no 2 dots at the end of this one, so we don't play it again. But even though there's not a repeat sign, I do want to play it one more time. Repeat after me all these wonderful notes that you see. C, C, G, G, A, G, hold. Then F, F, E, E, D, D, C, hold. And when you're ready, either go on to the next song or go on to practice this song with the drums and try to get it up to full speed. Give yourself a round of applause. Great job. Bravo. And remember what we say at the end of class on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. We say, let's be playful. Bye.